that. Baby, don't do that. Don't do that. So it looks today is really, really quiet. We're going now from one train to another because there's no underpass, so you have to get out and go back in to another train station. Look at the view. Wow, no esperaba que iba a vender cosas por aquí, bebé. ¿Estás vendiendo?
Ese ha sido mi favorito. Bueno, realmente ha sido mucho.
En el final va a ser mejor.
Claro, siempre.
¿Tú lo viste alguna vez?
Sí,
¿Sí?
sí, claro. Brooklyn.
Bless you. How was your experience?
Very short or fruitful? Fruitful. Fruitful.
word fruitful.
No way. Oh, wait, vamos.
We ended up sitting for a moment here in the VIP, but everybody's leaving. We just didn't want to go through that crazy crowd. We waited for a moment. And there's a lot of helicopters everywhere. I guess that's cool. That's a great thing. It's a great thing because they want people to feel safe. So yeah, this is how things look once you're done. I think they have two different VIPs over there. There's one VIP, and then this one over here was really fancy VIP. Okay. And I like that they actually had people here be able to come with like wheelchairs, like anyone could be part of the event. I think that's really cool. But this is the way the road looks. Part of it. Not very comfortable. But there is the other side where there's concrete, so it's smoother. So where? Right before we stepped out and after the fireworks ended, we decided to sit down for a minute in the VIP section. And one of the chairs was wet. So now my sushi is all wet. And you can't really see it, but it feels uncomfortable. Oh, gosh. I mean, I enjoy it for a moment, but then after a while, I'm like, all right, can you guys stop? So, okay. We're gonna go and have some pizza right now. Hopefully we find some gluten-free pizza, because otherwise I'm gonna go home and eat home. And yeah, I cannot have anything else unless it's gluten-free. So let's see what we find. It's coming. It's coming, it's coming. I saw him throw it. Where is it? Oh, it's a cigarette. Was it a cigarette? Was it a cigarette? He threw a cigarette? The guy, he threw a cigarette? Oh, I thought he threw one of the fireworks. I saw it. You see, there's a lot of people here. And I also like about this type of events that there's usually families and kids and everyone can go to that. And I don't know what part of Brooklyn this is, to be honest, but most of the streets are closed, which I like. Kind of allows for people to walk around and do things before and after the event for a moment. Though I think they're going to probably open it up soon. And there's literally police at every corner, and it feels like the city is doing their due diligence to keep people safe. And this street, this one is actually not closed. It's an open street. So I know people are doing the fireworks and all these things. Like they're saying that in Colombia it's like prohibited, right? Like you cannot do it, right?
No,
Cannot do it. Okay. So here, as far as I know, on the streets that fireworks too, I think you need to get some type of permit or something. So it's technically illegal, but my understanding is that it's not like strict. There is like some leniency around it. I don't know how the city does it because honestly, since COVID started, there's fireworks a lot more events and things like that. And during 4th of July, I mean, there's a lot. So I don't know how the city really handles that and the police, and because I don't see anyone being prosecuted for it. I've never seen or heard someone being arrested. We just entered into this beautiful sushi place because we went to a pizza place and they were like, well, right now we're not making any gluten-free pizza because they had a really long line out the door. So they were not accommodating us. And that's why we decided to just look for a restaurant, and we came into this gorgeous restaurant. And hope the food is as delicious as the restaurant looks. I'm sure it will be. First sushi arrived, maybe getting ready, and then we have the masters here making it.
It's the Greenpoint, but it's no syrup.
And this one, yes. Thank you. Perfect. Half and half. Gluten? No gluten. So maybe we can do it the other way around, baby. Move it. There you go. So, yeah. So I'm left-handed and he's right-handed, and then we keep like poking each other with the. No, baby. See us. So let's go. You sit here, and I'll sit over here. That's it. That's better. Thank you. Thank you.
So usually we do the French, but this one no.
Okay. Perfect. Wow, that looks nice. Look at the hearts. These are hearts. So nice. ¿Está muy rico, me dices? Wow, which one is that one? This one? The one I cannot eat. Or have to eat it with no sauce, because the sauce, they say it has gluten.
Wow, está muy rico. Wow, está delicioso. Como llamaba.
Thanks.
chicken skewer,
No, es strawberry. No va a traer vanilla. Pero podemos comerlo. Me dije que vamos a traer extra. So this is blueberry or something like that. Like no, it's blueberry or something like that. It's not even blueberry. It says blueberry. It's like blueberry with sweet potato or something. This is strawberry. This is matcha. Okay. So let's just try this. And then I want also a little bit of. Maybe eat the whole thing, baby. Eat the whole thing. And that is vanilla. Thank you. Alright, let's see. What's your last baby? ¿Quieres? Pues bueno. Dame eso, así. No, baby, don't do it like that. Or I mean, you can. Whatever you want. I just feel like the ice cream falls out of it, so just take it completely? Okay, I need to help you. Okay, here. You wanna have this one because this one has something inside. Look, this one something inside. Take it with me. Okay, I'll take that one. Because I don't want to. Not funny. It's so good. These ones are mental, so we're gonna have. Baby, don't do that. Don't do that. Just take the whole thing, please. Now that all the ice cream fell out. All of it. Don't separate it because the ice cream falls out. Half and half. No. Okay. Just eat the whole thing. Which one do you want, baby? Take the whole thing, baby. What happened? You're funny. Huh? So good. This is really good. It's a little cold.
The oil has to be the right temperature, moyan has to be just right.
Did it have coffee inside? The vanilla? Coffee? Like coffee or chocolate? Chocolate. So it's vanilla with chocolate. Another way?
Verge.
Word?
V-R-G.
We? W?
V. Verge. Yeah, the cool.
I just wanted to write it. Oh, Verge.
Verge.
Ah, nice.
You can
Okay.
check Google.
Yes. Okay.
You can check Google.
Say hi. Just look it up so you can. Good night. So beautiful. I love the plants. Favorite part of the restaurant, like when I go into a restaurant and there's plants and they're well taken care of, that is my favorite thing. And look at this here. You have like a whole family here. So beautiful. It's in the corner of India and what the other street is? They can't tell. Oh, India and Franklin Street, the corner. And now the smoke of the firework literally filled up the city. I think the city is all smoky, so smoky.
Yeah.
I feel like in my throat. But it's beautiful. And look at the windows. Good night.
Right.
This is how much people or the police doesn't care about the fireworks. They literally happen not far from them and they are not startled. So we really want to know what the laws and the regulations around fireworks in New York City and who can do them, because in my opinion anyone can do them right now. And look at these plants here. I love it.
Quarters.
We're good, thank you.
No.
Tiene un televisor.
It's like nice.
It is good. Okay, always. So, this is the night. We had a lot of fun, and our original plan was to go and go to the beach in the morning and then go and see the fireworks. It was raining the whole day, so we didn't get a chance to do that. But overall, it really was a great evening. We saw the fireworks. We were safe, and we had some delicious food. Enjoyed each other's company, and now it's time to go home. So this is where I'm gonna leave it. I hope you all had a safe 4th of July and had a great time. See you next time, Chipirins. Say bye.